MagSafe USB-C Converter Replacement for MagSafe 2-and-1 Charging Adapter applicable for MacBook Pro 15, 13, 12 Connector Cable Compatible MacBook, MacBook Pro, Switch/Laptop/Phone, Black. USB Type-C to MagSafe Fast Charging Adapter solves the charging conversion problem of the new laptop Type-C port, allowing the original charger to charge the device through the conversion of the USB-C MagSafe adapter. This USB-C MagSafe MacBook Pro built-in intelligence chip to adjust the output power. The USB-C output supports 20V3A, 14.5V 3.25A, 14.5V2A, 9V2A, and 5V2.4A. Which means it not only works with new MacBook Pro 12, MacBook Pro 13, MacBook Pro 15, but also works with other USB-C laptops and phones, such as Dell Notebook, Lenovo Yoga, Nintendo Switch, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy S8. This Type-C to MagSafe adapter is made of premium plastic material to provide more efficient thermal radiation. Its compact and lightweight design is easy for you to take in your bag and easier to leave charger cable in different places you use instead of unplugging and plugging in wherever you go. It also perfects for traveling, enterprise, school teaching. ASRoid USB-C to MagSafe compatible. The latest USB-C power delivery and PPS protocol offers fast and efficient charging. This adapter also has protection system against overcharging, overcurrents, and overheating. Important note: you can use your Thunderbolt or Cinema display to power your MacBook via this adapter. But note, this is not a bi-directional adapter. It can't power your display. USB-C to MagSafe charging connector. 12 months of after-sales service. If you have any questions or requests for this product, please feel free to contact us. You will get a reply within 24 hours.